how to change the watch bands on the Forerunner 965. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the bands on your Garmin Forerunner 965. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if your watch bands have broken or you're like me and you just want to change the look and the design of the watch bands on the 965, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have new bands installed. And to do this, I'm going to be using a set that I purchased on Amazon. Check the description, I'll have a link to this. These are silicone bands that fit the 965, and they are similar to the ones that you get from Garmin. And I like these little sets because they come with tools that make it a lot easier. You don't have to have it, but it just makes it easier to remove and replace the bands. So the first thing I'm going to do is simply turn off my watch so that I don't hit any buttons on it randomly, things like that. And to do that, hold down the control button and then cycle through until you have power off selected, and then select that with the start or stop button. Then we just need to flip the Forerunner 965 over. And as you can see right there, if I pull the band aside, you can see the little pin that is inside here holding the band in. So I'm going to use this tool that came with my band, stick it in there, and you basically just want to push it so that it comes out. As you can see on the pin, it does have a little part that this will slide into. And when you push that down, it compresses down and allows you to remove the band. So once you get it off, take that out and then slide it in the new band that was the same side. So it doesn't matter which way you slide it in as long as you put it through the holes. And now it's really easy to install. You just want to stick one side of the pins in the respective holes, as you can see right there. And then just kind of push it down with your fingernail until it slides in and you can no longer pull it out. So I'll do it with the other side down. You can kind of pull the band down if you want to be able to see the pin better. Stick the tool in, pry it down until it actually comes out. Remove the pin, put it in the new band, and then you just need to find the hole like so. Push the pin down so that it fits in. And there you go, you've now installed new watch bands on your Garmin Forerunner 965. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.